Since the word soon, again it's an adjective, so the word soon enough should come after the adjective, and it becomes soon enough. Question number 6, we arrived early enough to have some coffee before class began. Again this is an adjective, so as a result हमारे पास इसका जो आंसर होगा that should be early enough, and enough should comes after adjective. This is question 7, it has rained hard enough to flood the low-lying areas. Again the hard is आपका adjective है, so enough should come after the word adjective. Question 8, you should type enough slowly or slowly enough that you will not make an error. The word slowly is an adverb, and adverb में भी आपका जो enough word होगा that comes after adverb, so this will be slowly enough. Question 9, he has just enough flour to bake the loaf of the bread. Since flour is noun, so flour, so the enough word should comes before the noun. Question 10, there are enough books for each student to have one. So the word book is a noun, therefore the word enough should comes before noun. So this was all about the questions regarding the word